Alright, hello everyone. Today's distance learning lesson will be on designing a Kahoot. Kahoot is a free game-based learning website that helps to engage your students in the learning process. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to our address bar and type in kahoot.com. As you see, it's already listed online. And once you get in there, you're going to create an account by signing up. But I don't need to sign up because I already have an account, so I'm actually going to sign in. It asks you the same normal questions. You would create it and go in there. Now, let's see. I'm going to go back. Okay. So once you're in, it's going to bring you to the home page. It's going to look like this. And so you can search for Kahoots if you would like to before you actually design your own. You can go to your Kahoots and you see I have 2 down here. But I'm going to actually show you how to create your own. So you would go to New Kahoots, which I've already started on one. And so we're going to create a Kahoot today for calculating probability for Math 7 Honors in 8th grade. And my description would be calculating independent and dependent probabilities. So you keep your description kind of simple, not too long, and then you can add a picture. And I added in this flipping coin picture because we're talking about probability. And I'm gonna keep mine to visible to everyone, my language to English. And then my audience is going to be school because it is for educational purposes. So then I'm going to press OK, go. Now, as you can see, I already have some questions in here, but I'm going to show you as if I was doing it for the first time. So question 1, I already have it typed in, is a person flipping a coin, is this an independent or dependent event? Now, I can change my time frames from 5 seconds to 120. I'm going to keep it on 10 seconds. I have my picture already in here, which I did the same exact way that I showed you on the previous page. My answer choices are independent and dependent. Of course, you can have up to 4, as you see, but because we're independent or dependent, I'm only going to have 2, and I'm going to select the answer that is correct. So you must select that. Once I have done that, I'm going to go to my next question. All right, so we have our question in. What are the chances of the spinner laying on a multiple of 2 and purple? Now, I have a picture to go along with this question because, of course, it makes it easier if they see a picture to associate what we're talking about. So there's a picture of my spinner. You see the multiples of 2 up there, and it has the purple. I'm going to adjust my seconds to 30 just because they have a little bit more to do, and then I'm going to enter in my answer choices. And you can simply just put in the answer. Alright, so I gave them 4 answer choices. I'm going to pick the choice that is correct. And I'm just going to hit my next. Alright, so see, now we have 2 questions. And of course, with this one, all they have to do is decide if it's independent or dependent. I'm going to go hit the next one. And I'm going to add in my next questions. I already have some set aside that I typed out ahead of time, which just to make it a little easier, I like to type my questions out early so I know what I'm going to do and I'm not just making a lot of random stuff. Alright, so you can see I have a lot of pictures already saved to go along with my questions. And then I'm going to throw in my answers. And of course, some of the answer choices, are very like off the wall, but some of them seem close to what your students would pick. All right, go back to my questions that I already have. I'm just gonna highlight, copy, and I'm going to paste them. Because I use pictures, it's not as bad because I can just help them see what we're talking about. And you don't have to use pictures, but that's just a way that I like to do it. You don't forget to select your answer choices, and you don't always have to put in A, B, C, and D. You can leave it as 2 choices like I just did there. Let's see, I'm on question 5. I'm gonna do one more question just to get us along, so you can see how it is when you actually play. Will give your students the code to play the game. And like this one, this is the spinner, so I have on a spinner that shows all of that. I'm gonna change my time limit to 30 seconds still, because I don't think they need a whole minute to answer this question. And then I'm going to put my answers in again. Excuse me. Okay, so we have a total of 6 questions because I want to show you how you demo it. We will save our quiz. We can preview it, we can play it. So I'm done. And now, to get your students to be able to play your Kahoot, you would simply go onto it under your settings. You see I already have one in there. You would do play. When you hit play, it's going to come up on your screen so that you can monitor or facilitate how the games go. Once it's completely loaded, it's going to give you a code after you select. So for me, I'm going to just do it as if I was letting my students all play individually. So I would select player versus player. You can randomize the questions, randomize the answers. Let's see, it shows you that you can add the pin throughout and the required the players to rejoin. So, oh, and then you also could right here have it to go throughout the game without you actually clicking it once they answer it. So on this end, I would do classic, and it's going to come up and give me a code. Now once it gives me a code, my students would go to Kahoot it, and they will put in the game code. Once they put the game code in, it will show them the game. So I'm going to just quickly show you how it will look if we were on the student side. Alright, so this is what your students would see, and they would put in their game code, and it would ask them for nicknames. I'm just going to nickname mine Chi-Chi, and I'm ready to play. And you'll see on your students it'll say start. So we'll go ahead and start, and it's going to ask them a question. On our end, for your students, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to show them the question, and they will go through. Of course, when you're playing it in the classroom, it's going to show with both choices on your screen, but on your students, they'll see A or B, independent or dependent. All they have to do is select their answer, and they are good to go. So that is how you would set up your Kahoot. And when you're finished, you'll see the results and everything. You get to see how your students did, and your students get to see as well too.